air signs, what's up? Kumusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today, air signs, you will be doing your reading for August 8, 2025. Let's just go ahead and check ano ba mga mensahe ngayon sa inyo. Ngayon, para sa inyo ngayong araw, take note lang din air signs that this reading is just a general reading and maaari siya mag-resonate, maaari hindi. Only take what resonates lamang po and leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Okay? So, one more shuffle. Baka may gustong mag-offer ng bagong beginning sa inyo. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. Maaaring nagmuni-muni at nagnilay-nilay itong tao na to. Gusto nila mag-offer sa inyo ng new beginning na. Okay, let's see. Kamusta ba ang air signs ngayong araw? So, you've got here the King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy as well. Someone wants to talk to you. Someone wants to speak up. Someone wants to parang say their word about a situation. Someone to na umalis. Someone na nilisan ka. Or someone to na maaaring nagkaroon ka ng separation. Things have ended with you in the past and parang ngayon gusto na nila magsalita about a certain situation. Zoom nga natin. Yan. Ano pa? Yeah, see? Ace of Cups. So, gusto mag-offer ng person na to ng new beginning sa inyo, guys. Gusto nila mag-offer ng bagong simula, lalo sa relationship or romantic situation with you. Or it could be a water sign as well, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, that you're dealing with. Okay? Gusto nila magsimula ulit kayo, gusto nila mag-offer ng new beginning with you in love, gusto nila magsimula ng bago, magsimula kayong muli, ganyan, no? Mag-sorry sa inyo, kalimutan ng mga dati at magsimula kayong ulit. Ano pa? Got here the Empress card. They just want to grow with you. They just want growth and abundance with you guys. They just want parang expansion with you. Kasi kayo yung nakikita nilang tao na pwede silang mag-grow. Kayo yung nakikita nilang tao na pwede silang magkaroon ng happiness talaga. Potential person na magdudulot sa kanila ng kaligayahan at stability sa buhay. Okay? Maaaring para sa kanila, kayo ang pinakamagandang tao sa buong mundo and we just want to build with you. Okay? Let's start clarifying lang each card for additional messages. Please show me what is the energy of the King of Swords, Gemini for Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Please show me what is the energy of King of Swords. With the Death card, so someone here wants transformation. Could be a Scorpio. Someone here gusto nila ng pagbabago. Okay? Pagbabago about your situation. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, gusto nila maging maayos na ang sitwasyon between you and them. Gusto nila na magbunga ng maganda ang sitwasyon yung dalawa. Gusto nila na yumabong pa ang kanilang relasyon. Gusto pa nila na magkaroon ng magandang pagbabago or magandang result ang relasyon yung dalawa or magandang situation. Sorry sa ingay guys kung may naririnig kayo ingay ng pusa. Maingay talaga yan. Ano ba? Ano tong Ace of Cups? Para kay Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You got your 8 of Wands. So, gusto nila kayong sendan ng message, guys. Gusto nila kayong sendan ng message. Gusto nila kayong padalahan ng text, chat, call, email, ganyan. Mag-comment sa social media nyo. Even telepathically, they're trying to connect with you, I think. Gusto nila ng connection with you, guys. Gusto nila makipag-usap sa inyo. They want to badly talk to you. They badly want to talk to you. They badly want to see you. They badly want to be with you. Okay? Gusto nila ng pagbabago. Gusto nila ng Kumbaga yung pangit na sitwasyon siguro ngayon is mabago na. Okey, mas mas mag-grow, mas maging close kayo, mas maging open kayo sa isa't isa. Magkaroon kayo ng pag-uusap, ma-settle yung mga issues, mabalik kayo sa dati or magsimula kayo as new, okey? At ano naman 'tong the Empress card? Got your Seven of Wands, matapos na ang conflict between you both, okey? Matapos na yung parang tikisan niyo, matapos na yung parang stage na, um, nagsusumbatan kayo or parang hindi kayo on the same page, hindi kayo maayos, hindi kayo, nagkakaintindihan, okey? So, let's go ahead and check guys kung ano ba ang oracle card niyo. You got your afraid, fear. Someone here is afraid to speak up. Someone here is afraid of reaching out to you. Someone here has fears and doubts, okay? Na kapag nag-reach out ba sila sa inyo is tatanggapin niyo sila ng maayos o pagsasaraduhan niyo lang sila ng pinto. Someone here is afraid of texting you, calling you, sending you an email, sending you a chat, kasi baka hindi maging maganda yung outcome. Wala lang tayo ng last messages from our tarot deck as well. Ano ba ang mensahe? Ano ba ang advice para kay Gemini, Libra, Aquarius about their situation? You've got your Page of Cup. Don't let emotions get in your way. So, wag mo daw hayaan air signs na ma-block ng emotions mo or ma-fog, ma-cloudan ng emotions mo yung utak mo. And para makapasok ang totoong parang daloy ng energy towards you, okay? Maybe you need to really forgive this person. Maybe you need to listen up to this person. Maybe you need to hear out this person. Okay? Maybe you need to give them a chance na mag-explain sa maling ginawa nila or sa nangyari. Para magkaroon kayo ng maayos sa pag-uusap. Okay? Okay, bonus guys, halo sa love. I will get messages from your person. I will get messages from your person. Yung mensahe ng person ni Gemini, diba? Aquarius kanila. I want you. I want you. So, gustong-gusto ko ng tao na to. Nararamdaman ko na gustong-gusto ko talaga nila makita, makausap, makasama, at magkabalikan kayo. Then we have here, what is the point of it all? Hindi daw nila maintindihan kung bakit nangyayari tong lahat. Okay, sa inyong dalawa. Bakit daw kayo nagkahiwalay at hindi nagsasama ngayon? I'm feeling them feeling frustrated and I want to hold you in my arms. O, di ba? Air sign, gusto talaga nila na makasama kayo. Gusto talaga nila na makapiling kayo. Gusto nila na magkaroon kayo ng connection and maayos kayo as soon as possible, okay? Yun lang naman, air signs. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. And have a good one, guys. Bye!